Gridwork Erasable Smart Pen. Gridwork consists of a Gridpen, a new generation smart pen, Gridboard, an ultra-thin pen tab, and Gridnote, an erasable notebook. Gridpen is the one and only handwriting pen that can be used just by plugging it into a computer, requiring no installation of a driver or an app. With Gridwork, you can easily share your ideas in web meetings, make online learning easy. Students and teachers are able to collaborate seamlessly. Gridwork is compatible with various common applications which have a write-in function, such as Zoom, Teams, Microsoft Office, and much more. Gridpen can be used with interchangeable FriXion and stylus cores for freehand writing. So, how's it work? The surface of a gridboard or gridnote has a printed two-dimensional code made up of tiny dots called GridOnput. The position of the pen is recognized by reading the code with the infrared sensor. The pages of the gridnote are reusable. Simply erase one with a wet wipe and it's ready to use again. The gridboard is ultra-thin and lightweight and fits perfectly in your laptop case or bag.